Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Solana. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Solana, see what really is happening and where the prices of Solana could be headed in the immediate short term. This right here is an urgent Solana update. So as you guys can tell by the title of the video, this is quite an urgent update. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, currently sitting at $18.39. We're down 8.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $7.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $420.6 million. So what exactly is going on? Why is this an urgent update? I will share exactly as to why that is. But before we get into it, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, if you guys are just looking at the charts right now, you guys might be able to guess, especially if you are a Solana holder, you might be able to guess right off the bat as to why, I think this is an urgent update. And if you're not familiar as to why that's the case, is because, we are first time, retesting this zone since, of course, March. And right now, you guys can see exactly, you cannot make this up now. This is right in front of your eyes. You cannot make this up. We have really seen the power of this level of support really play out for the price of Solana. We did touch this level of support at $18.20, but we have seen a little bit of a bounce towards the upside. So what really is causing such a significant drop in the price of Solana right now? If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, about an 11% decrease in a matter of a single day. So what really is causing Solana to plummet like this right now? What exactly is going on? I thought things were looking absolutely exciting. So as to why this is happening, is it all points the finger to the BTC dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance has spiked up once again, and that's because a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of people thinking that Bitcoin can go lower because, of course, the volatility, the fake outs that we're seeing happening. So a lot of people are uncertain right now, and that's why a lot of people are sending their money into Bitcoin. And especially when Bitcoin has these volatility moments, the dominance is going to increase. So a lot of altcoins are bleeding right now quite a bit, and we're seeing Solana really get hit by this, and of course I've said this to you guys before. This is why we analyze the price of Bitcoin on a daily basis, because that should not be taken with a grain of salt. Bitcoin is the king of the market. Everything is correlated to it. So of course, when Bitcoin sees these type of moves, we're going to see that correlate in Solana. But what is next now? What really is next is that next few hours are very important for the price of Solana. The reason as to why that's the case is because, like I've said, we have seen overall throughout the year of 2023, this level of support really play out for it as a massive level of support, and we only gone below it once, which was back on March. So could this be the time where we finally see the price go below it once again? Possibly. And it all depends on this guy right here, which is BTC. If Bitcoin drops below $25,380 and possibly even goes below 25k mark, and then there's a lot of support built up around this $24,000 to $25,000 mark. This is where the next target for BTC would be, and I'm still okay with that. I will be still okay with if Bitcoin were to retrace down to those levels. But guess what that's going to do? That will have an impact on the price of Solana. So we could potentially see us retest that $15 mark, or even possibly a little lower, maybe $15 this time around too. But I don't personally see those prices lasting too long. If we see a bounce towards the upside, that would be the best thing that any Solana holder could be asking for. But at the same time, I've been seeing thousands and thousands of Solana holders, community members across the crypto space saying, man, I wish I could pick some more up around this range. So that's going to be a great opportunity for a lot of people, as myself. I think I'm going to be going shopping, and I think the payday is coming on a perfect day. It's correlating. I hope markets don't pump overnight, because tomorrow night is payday, and then I will be shopping around during these sales, because I believe this could be honestly one of the best chances, in my opinion, for me to dollar cost average into the projects that I like. And of course, Solana is going to be on my radar as always. So that is my current analysis on Solana right now. And in order for us to retest the March 14th prices, we would need a dip of roughly, we're looking at about 12%. So that's a significant move towards the downside. And of course, like I said, if Bitcoin reclaims $25,000 to $24,000 support, then yes, it is possible, and it is not going to be out of the woods just yet. Now you may be saying, oh man, here we go again, things are not looking bullish. Why is Solana not breaking out of the upside, and why hasn't it touched $40? Guys, this is where your patience is going to be tested. Like, this is literally the time where your patience is going to be tested. I honestly think nothing is going to stop that bull run to continue, because historically speaking, no matter what, we've seen a lot of different FUD things come over the years, even in the bull market. Yes, they have impacted that as soon as that news comes out, but overall, after the Bitcoin halving, the parabolic season does begin. And I think historically speaking, everything is going as planned. These type of moves, volatility occurs on a day-to-day basis for the prices of cryptocurrencies and even stock market, and this is part of the game. And if this is too scary for you guys, then I think you are not doing your due diligence and research when investing in cryptocurrencies, and of course not investing where you can afford to lose. If you're not following those two rules, guys, and of course the third rule, the most important one, which is patience, then you're doing it all wrong. Then literally you're doing it all wrong. If some random Joe is telling you to put your life savings in crypto, let me come and tell you right now, don't ever fool yourself by doing that, and don't ever put yourself in that situation. Okay, when it comes to crypto, you want to have your peace of mind. And in order to have your peace of mind, you need to invest where you can afford to lose. You need to, of course, do your due diligence and research. If you have done that, then you just need to hodl. You just need to hodl, and look what's happening. A lot of hodlers, 70% of its market cap, literally put that into perspective, which is $2 billion is staked right now. $7.2 billion of Solana is staked right now. People are earning passive income. People see where the prices really are headed in the long haul. And, these people, they know the prices are going to fluctuate here and there. They might see a spike of $30, $40, but they don't care. They care about the long haul, and they're earning passive income off of this, compounding it daily. And that makes their stake bigger as time goes by. And of course, when the bull market returns, that's where you lock in profits. And that's one of the best strategies to do if you're in for the long haul and you don't really care about the short-term gains. So of course, that is something we need to keep in mind. But the next few hours are very, very important for the price of Solana. Of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything were to change. But now this is your time to come together as a community. Let me know down below your personal thoughts, where you could see the price of Solana going, where you could see us closing before the end of the year. And also, guys, if you have not followed me on Twitter, what are you waiting for? First link in the description box below. Go follow me on Twitter. Let's get this Twitter following going crazy. So I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all the support, and I will see you tomorrow. It has been Crypto ZX, and peace out.